Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing about the radiation pattern of waveguide antenna. So this video is part of the playlist radiating systems. So guys, if you haven't seen the first 5 videos, I recommend you to see the first 5 videos because this video is a part of this playlist. The link for the playlist is given in the description. So yeah, in the antenna designer, we like to design the waveguide antenna for a frequency of 2.4 gigahertz, as we know that it's generally used for Wi-Fi. Yeah. So guys, this is how a typical waveguide antenna looks like. There is a box which is closed on three sides and open on one side, and there is a half dipole antenna. The feed is from the bottom. We give the feed over here. This is the half dipole antenna. It is covered by three sides and open from this side. Let us see the S parameter graph for this. So this has a simple S11 graph as compared to our previous helical antenna, because our previous helical antenna was a multi-array antenna, so its S11 parameter is very complex, but here it's a very simple antenna. It just increases the activity by pushing the radiation which goes backward into the forward direction. Let's see the impedance graph. So this is the typical resistance and reactance graph, which varies our frequency. Let's try to see the current distribution. Since it's a waveguide, we can see that the current is distributed all over the waveguide. The current distribution is uniform. Now, by seeing this, we can try to predict the radiation pattern. As you know, it's open from one side, and all the three sides get pushed into the forward or reflected into the forward side. So the directivity increases in one side and remains minimum at the other three sides. So let us confirm it by seeing the radiation pattern. So this is the typical radiation pattern of a waveguide antenna. As you can see that in the back region of the waveguide, the radiation is minimum, and in the front of the waveguide, as you can see here, when we move towards the front, the the radiation is maximum. So radiation pattern typically looks like this. It's more directed towards one side. So naturally the gain is higher. The maximum value is 7.19 dBi. To understand this, we can see the 2D projections of this radiation pattern on horizontal and vertical planes. So elevation is the angle which is made from x-axis. So elevation is 0, which means azimuth is the plot which is obtained when we project the radiation pattern on the horizontal plane, that is xy plane. So this is how it looks. When you cut the radiation pattern horizontally, you get a typical graph like this. Now let us see the elevation pattern. So elevation pattern is when you project the radiation pattern on z-axis, that is in vertical plane. So when you cut the radiation pattern vertically, like when you see from the above, like this, you typically see the elevation pattern like this. When you see from horizontal xy plane, you can see the projection like this. This is the typical radiation pattern of the waveguide antenna. So in next video, we'll be discussing in detail about the theory of the waveguide antenna, the maths behind this, and everything. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.